When we're using WPS Document to edit documents, there is always a high frequency of using search and replace features. These features not only can help us locate content and replace it with specified content, but also can replace the format of the text. It saves us a lot of time when we are editing the document and increases the efficiency of work. Take this document as an example. When we are reading, we may want to quickly know where the character named Bennett has appeared in the text. By clicking the Home tab and then the Find and Replace button, or use the shortcut key Ctrl+F to directly open the search feature, we can easily select the search range with Find In. If we want to mark the word Bennett, we can use the Highlight Search function. Click Reading Highlight and then Highlight All. There, all the words that have been searched in the document will be highlighted. Also, sometimes we may want to replace part of or all of the specified content in the document. In that case, we can also use this feature. For example, if we want to change the exclamation mark in the document into a period, first click the Find and Replace and then Replace button. Then enter the content that we want to search and replace. After that, click the Replace All button. This feature is very useful when modifying and replacing the contents of documents in batches. Also, we may sometimes want to quickly locate a certain page of the document in order to quickly check the content. Click the Find and Replace and then Go To button to locate the target page. Enter the page number, for example page 2, and then click to locate the needed page. There we can see the document jumping to another page. When jumping to the second page, continue to enter +3 in the input box in order to jump 3 more pages of the document, that is, to locate page 5. The Go To feature can also be used to locate comments, graphics, etc. Come and make good use of this practical function.